Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 9:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 9/26/2021, September 26, 2021. Let's go take a look at the fact that this is not financial advice. This video is educational only. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified of these videos. And by the way, share the video. We're talking about Nucypher. This is the first crypto I've ever covered. And by the way, these guys have everything around just fundamental principles and fundamental technology around security and privacy for all new build outs on, these decentralized platforms. I think it's a great story as Web 3.0 progresses over the next 6 months. Also, take a look over here. There's a link below. Click on Reform Blogger. It's a tech analysis and overview for certain companies we cover around stocks. In case you're interested and you do any trading with stocks, I think it's a good thing to take a look at. Anyway, let's go into the markets. Nucypher US dollar. We are on a horizontal sideways chop. And man, it's a chop. It's a chop up to here. It's a chop to down there. And then it's back in the middle. We're not that far off from where we left off on Friday. On Friday, we were at like 70. Sorry, excuse me. We were at 26.98. We're at 27.84. Good for 3% or so handle. Not so bad, but this is, we were up almost 20%, but it was very, very brief and we pulled back down. Notice how we stay. The chop stays within these two lines and they always seem to respect them. Now, taking a look at the one of the underlying pairs, the inner strength of Nucypher Bitcoin, we did pop. We popped nicely up to 767, pulled back down again. A couple of bars over the resistance line. Not enough for us to feel comfortable there. It would have to be, again, usually when you want to break a trend, you got to do so for a little period of time in crypto land. It's not that simple here. But still, we're still sideways chop, exactly where we thought we'd be. We weren't that far off on the Nucypher Bitcoin pair. We were 643. We're at 636. Over 2 days, it's nothing, really sideways action. Same thing here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, a little bit better than some of this stuff, but we're up around 5%, video over video, 42,000 we left off on the last Nucypher video for Bitcoin, and now we're over close to 44,000. Now, what should be interesting here is I think we're going to continue to go sideways. We might go down from here, and we may level off here, and then, and then spike out. This is October, early October, first week of October. We're almost done with what I consider a cycle. This is a 4-week sprint. If you developers are out there, you're probably laughing. But this is a sprint here. This is 2 weeks here, and then the next 2 weeks here. And this is going to be on the upper hand. I think we're going to be on the bottom hand of this, and then I think we're going to take off. Either way, I think we're going to be in this band between 47 and 40 over the next week and a half. So we'll see how this plays out. Cryptos can change on a dime. So I can't say with certainty that I know that this is going to happen, but feels very similar to a prior pattern that we've seen. Bitcoin dominance is what I consider the fear index in cryptos. This is very similar to the VIX, in my opinion, in terms of how it works for the stock market. The VIX is like that. Well, in cryptos, the Bitcoin dominance pair is similar to that. And it's only been similar to that as of late. We've seen this. So as things start getting crazy in the overall crypto market, meaning a lot of fear coming in, you'll start to see Bitcoin dominance go up, just like what we saw last night with Bitcoin. Actually, it happened early this morning. It plummeted to 40,000, spiked back up. Now, if you look over here, Bitcoin dominance, when Bitcoin was plummeting, Bitcoin dominance started shooting up. Because once Bitcoin starts plummeting, everyone in altcoin land is selling more so. So that's kind of like what we consider the fear factor. And who gets scared first? You got it. The retail market, which is mostly the altcoin market. All right, well, that's pretty much all I've got right now. But just want you to all know I don't think we're going to be going anywhere, particularly to the moon, anytime soon. So just, stay earthbound. We'll probably be earthbound for another few days, and then we'll take another pulse. But right now, I'll give you another update tomorrow. But things look kind of sideways, at least for the short term. Talk soon.